Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuses to check in case your front power outlet, which is right here, or the rear power outlet are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Back power outlet is located just on the back side of the middle console right here. And the trunk area power outlet is located just here as well. So you have a total of 3 power outlets. First 2 fuses will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin, just next to the passenger's left foot, behind this cover. Now to remove this cover, just pull it straight towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. So like I said, you will have 2 fuses to check here. First fuse is fuse number 13, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the front dashboard power outlet. And just under it, fuse number 17, this is also a 20 amp yellow fuse responsible for power to rear middle console power outlet. So those 2 power outlets, those 2 fuses. Trunk area power outlet fuse will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to remove this cover you will have 2 black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So I want to press this tab together and lift up, and you do the same on the both. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you will have a detailed fuse diagram, and right here you have a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number 26, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse again, located in the upper right corner, and this is your trunk area power outlet. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.